first topic we are having of the chapter machine, that is what are machines. As the name suggests of our chapter, that is machine, energy. So what do you mean by machine? Firstly, we should know the definition of machine. So whatsoever things we are using in our surrounding, for example, we are using hammer, we are using knife, we are using bottle opener, or whatsoever things we are using in our surrounding that makes our work easier and faster. For example, here if I am having an apple, here I am having apple. If I want to cut this apple, if I want to cut this apple, by applying the force by my hand, can I cut this apple? No. Obviously, no. How I can cut with my fingers or with my force from the hand? So, if I am using here knife in order to cut the apple, in order to cut an apple, so it is very easy to cut an apple within few seconds only by applying the force by knife. So, the instruments which are making our work easier and faster, that instrument or devices are known as machines. Okay, and machines which are manually handled means whatsoever machine which we are using, we are applying some kind of force in order to move that machines, or in order to take the work from that machines, that machines are known as simple machine. Or simply you can say the machines which are made up of only few moving parts, only one moving part, that is known as simple machine. For example of simple machine we are having like hammer. In a case of hammer, not that much kind of machines are connected and then a hammer is made. No, in a hammer simply one arrangement is there by which we can easily fix a nail into a wall, or whatsoever work we want we can do easily. Okay, next we are having screwdriver. So screwdriver is also acting like a machine which makes our work easier and faster. Next we are having knife. As I told already the example of knife, that knife is also acting like a machine which makes our work easier and faster. Next we are having bottle opener. So in order to open the bottle opener, in order to open the cap of the bottle, it is very difficult to use by in order to open it by hands. So by simply using the bottle opener, within the fraction of second we can easily open the bottle, okay, cap of the bottle. So the machines or the devices which are making our work easier and faster are known as machines. And the machines which are manually handled, which we are handling in order to work on it, and the machine which contain only one or few moving parts, that is known as simple machines. Okay, next we are having what are complex machine. In the other hand we are having complex machine also, but in our chapter or in our syllabus only we are having just simple machines. But yes, we will see the definition of complex machine. Okay, so complex machine, as a name suggests, complex machines in which two or more simple machines work together. Means for example we are having wall clock, means here in wall clock two or more simple machines are combined together in order to move this wall clock. So this wall clock is regarded as complex machine. In a similar manner we are having bicycle. Here in bicycle also we are having more than one simple machine, so this bicycle is also regarded as complex machine. In a similar manner we are having washing machine. Many are there which are regarded as complex machine. Okay, in a complex machine two or more simple machines are combined together in an one object. Fine.